All right, yes. Welcome once again, and I would like to welcome you, everyone who is watching me right now. And I would like you to give me your attention because we are going to see something that is very different, and I'm going to be teaching you on how to do the knotless bob. So please, I would like you to make a point. You just go and click on that red button and ring the bell. Yes, that one works for me, and I just want to welcome all return subscribers. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper. Thank you so much for loving Morris the Crochet Master. Yes, my name is Morris the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Morris on my personal account, so on my Instagram. Yes, I go by Morris the Crochet Master. So if you would like to join me, you can go and follow me up so that we can keep in touch. So today we're going to see on how to do the knotless bob. Yes, this one I do it my way, just because we've been doing bob like we always shape it in the same format, like we always like make them to look equal. But this time around I just want to create something that it looks bob, but it is not equal. So that one I always do it, I just cut my braid according to someone's hair, because we all know that we already, like, we don't have our hair is not equal. You might find that the one that in the middle is longer than the ones in front. So if I'm going to do this depending on how our hair is. So you can see how we do the knotless braid, and this time around I'm going to try to make it a bit simple. There are those ones who add them like this, and sometimes it becomes difficult for them to add them on top. So what I did, you can see that those ones who always add them like this, but still you can add them on top just like that. So this one, if it is trying to be difficult for you to add the other way around, you can still add it this way, because it is the same thing as I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So I told you, whenever you're doing something that is, let's say, even if they're box braids, even if they're dreads, make sure that your lines are always neat, because this one gives you the last results when it is looking nicely. So you should always make sure that your lines are very perfect, so that you can do it very it can come out very perfect. So you can see how I try to do it, and now try to look here, because I'm going to add on in a different way, just like this. So I think this one is a bit very simple and faster, like those ones who don't know to use the other way around. Yeah, because I believe that those ones who are left hand sided and right hand sided. So you can try all these two methods, they can be nice for you. You can do something in it. So this is how we are going to keep on doing it. And I told you that whenever you're trying to see most of my videos, please just give me your time by listening, because there are those things that you will not understand before you listen to them. Yes, the other things that you not understand before you listen to them. So it would be better at least you first listen before doing something. And I always tell you, please, whenever you see something, if you want to learn it, try to make a practice there and then. Try to make a practice there and then, so that if maybe you fail, you just keep on seeing how the steps are, and as you continue doing that, trust me, you will perfect everything. So you can see how this method is, and would like you guys to go in my comment section, type something how you see about this method. Is it easy for you? Will it work for you, just like this, to add on this way? Yes, will it work for you? Because I know we are all not using the same the same hand, those who are left-sided hand and those ones who are right hand. So you can see how I'm doing it, but still I make sure that I make it on point to see that my boxes are still neat. That one is very, very important, to make sure that your boxes are always neat, so that you don't mess up. And this time around, this creativity that I did, I'm going to make sure that I create like 3 lines. Yeah, that will be the sideway of the left side, the middle line, and then the line on our right side. So I think that one can be nice for you, like it will be easier for you to separate it, because you can see here now I'm showing you the middle line, how it is going to be. I make sure it is very, very straight, and since it's in the middle, even the ones on the sides, I also make sure that they're also perfect in that way, that are also the sides, and then the one on the right hand side. So that one is very, very it is very, very nice, and it will give you a good styling. Let's say today you're waking up looking this way and the other way. So this is what I chose to do when it comes to this bob that I'm going to try to show you today. So we all know how to braid, and we have been braiding. So here I would say that when you're braiding these knotless bob, don't try to make your braid very hard. Like I want this bob to be a little bit straight, not that sharp bob. You understand what I'm saying? So to do that, you just try to make sure that you don't tighten the braid. Don't make it very, very tight, since we start with the knotless, so it is very hard for it to come out. You can see now I was showing you the first line in the middle. You see how I'm arranging them. I'm going even the sideways. So after I bring my candle, as usual, that's what I always use. Yes, so we try to burn it. And I'd like to shout out to everyone, guys. I always see your comment wherever you are. Just know I love you so much, and I wish we can keep in touch. Yes, I wish we can keep in touch. You told me what you have learned from me. Yes, and I really appreciate. And to those ones who feel like maybe you don't understand something, I'll try to make sure maybe I keep on I give you detailed videos so that we can also get to learn all that. So please don't forget to click on that red button whenever you're seeing this. Click on that red button and subscribe, because here we do it every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you see how we go. So now when I'm done with my burning, yes, it is somehow a little bit tricky, but I told you how I burn them. I follow the steps. Let's say from down, like I don't want it to look the same height, so the down ones are very long, so I come doing the steps so that it does itself. So trust me, you can try it out and you'll find your bob looking lovely like mine, the way you're going to be seeing it. So right, when we are done with that, try to see the magic the way it is. Wow, I just love it. You see how it looks very perfect. So for now, let me sign out. Bye bye. See you in my next video. I love you.